You just found the 2017 Kia Sportage. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a family road trip, this sleek, can-do Sportage brings convenience, comfort, and confidence along for the ride. Available in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, this sophisticated compact crossover prioritizes safety while delivering a sense of fun and adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor. Upscale comfort blends beautifully with crossover capability in this refined Sportage. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.